white people's opinions seem to matter to you a lot. Can you help me understand that?
I don't think I've ever brought it up, but it's not something that directly happened to me, but so much of what my grandmother instilled in me.
One of the things I think particularly about this training, I think it's important, is that I'm suggesting that attachment and race matters both run deep. And so while we have a model of maybe how to do therapy, we don't have really a model for how to either conceptualize race matters and then to process them in therapy.
You know, she worked for a lot of white people who had a lot of money. And she cooked and cleaned the houses, you know, so she had such a higher respect. And so she would come home and she'd brag about all the things that they had and made them seem so superior.
And too often we just think about race as a category. Mm-hmm. Or for that matter, if we think about people of color as if the category somehow is their identity. I think we don't develop racial identity enough.
And it's a fluid process across the lifespan. And I think it's so important to understand our own racial and ethnic identity, but then also being able to use that information to then have some level of empathy and to step into the world of our clients' experiences from the framework of their identity development and where they might be.
So I've always felt inferior to white people. And so I think that's why when things happen, you know, the little things come up, I just feel small. And then I guess I turn it into racism because I feel little.
I think so many trainings, they're just at the surface and they're talking about microaggressions. And as a Black therapist, I also believe that we've got to go deeper. And in order to do that, we need a space where we can actually see what it's like to work with people of color in a productive and effective way. And there's not a lot of that happening right now.